Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to call post book API in our React.js application. So let's get started. Let's navigate to the VS Code. Let me open here Axios instance.js file. So first of all, I'm going to add request interceptors. So let me call here the object that we have instance.interceptors.request.use. Inside the argument of this, let me define here the callback parameter that we have config. Now inside this, I'm going to call the function from the utils package that we have getToken. Let me import this method. On the left side, let me define a variable with the name token. Now after getting the token, let me add the if condition where we have to check if a token exists. Then let me call here the fallback parameter that we have config.headers.authorization. Now here, let me pass here the string that we have barrier space and the token that we have this. After that, we have to return here the config. In case of error, let me return here promise.reject. Inside the argument of this, let me pass here the error. Now after that, let's go to the admin service. On the top of the admin service, let me import here the instance. After importing it, let me create a function with the name postBook. So it will be a export const, name of the function that we have postBook. So it will be a async. Inside the argument of this, it will get a book DTO. Now inside this, we have a try and the catch block. The catch block will catch an exception in case of API failing. So here we have to catch here the error. Now inside the catch block, we have to throw here the error. Inside the try block, let me call here the instance and the mapping that we have post. Inside the argument of this, let me define the URL that we have /API/admin/book. After the URL, we have to pass here the book DTO object. So it will be await. On the left side, let me define a variable with the name response. After getting the response, we have to return here. Now after that, let's go to the post book component. As you can see, the function that we have handle submit that we are calling on the event that is a on submit. Now inside this function, I'm going to call the method from the admin service. So let me remove this console. Let me add here try catch and the finally block. Inside the catch block, we have to catch here the error. At the last, we have a finally block. Inside the finally block, we have to set the loading state value to false. Now inside the try block, let me call the function from the admin service that we have post book. Inside the argument of this, we have to pass here the use state that is a book. So it will be a await. On the left side, let me define a variable with the name response. Now after getting the response, let me add here the if condition where we have to check if the response dot status is equals to 201. Then we have to navigate an admin to the dashboard page. So on the top, let me initialize a use navigate hook. As you can see, the import of the use navigate hook that is from React router DOM. So let me call it the instance that we have navigate. Inside the argument of this, let me define the path of the admin dashboard page that we have /admin/dashboard. After that, we have to show here the success snack bar with the caption book posted successfully. So let me initialize a hook for a in-queue snack bar. As you can see, I use snack bar hook. Let me import this. As you can see, the import of the use snack bar that is from notice stack. Now let me call this instance. First, we have to define here the caption that is a book posted successfully. After that, we have a variant and the auto hide duration. So first we have a variant that is a success. At the last, we have a auto hide duration that is 5000 milliseconds. Now let me copy this line. Let me add inside the catch block where we have a variant that is a error. The caption that we have getting error while posting book. Now you can take a look of the post book component. Now let's go back to the browser. Let me fill the form, where first we have a image URL. After that we have a title. After the title we have a author. After the author we have a description. After the description we have a price. Let me select here the genre from the drop down that we have biography. Select the condition like new and the edition that we have. Now let's click on the post book button. As you can see, the snack bar we got book posted successfully. After that, it's navigating us to the admin dashboard page. As you can see, the network tab where we got the status code 201 created. With this, we have a response. The message that we have book created. After that, we have a body object. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.